This is the butterfly garden that's here on Catman Trail. Nice little shaded seating area back here. And of course, this is called the Butterfly House. Swings to relax on here on the porch. Deer antler handles for the doors. And a nice little screened-in picnic area here to keep the bugs from the backcountry trail from bothering you while you try to enjoy your lunch. Does have some ceiling fans up above. And this is where 3 of the trails tee in together. Catman Trail continues on down to Gulf State Park Campground. We'll do that one on another video. But just straight ahead through the tee there, on the left is a little bathhouse area. Right over there. We'll go over there a little closer in a minute. But out here on the other side of the Butterfly House is the Backcountry Trail Boulder Park, which is artificial climbing rocks for kids. Most of each of these trails have its own little cool personality and a little something extra along it for either resting or playing. Little hand grips on the boulder front here for kids to climb. This appears to be for more advanced. I don't know that I could climb that one. Nice, lush, green, grassy areas to rest on. Here's a little better map view than my last video without the glare on it. As you can see, the backcountry trails cover a large area. We are right here. And we started out way back here at the trailhead for Catman Trail. One of my other videos, we started at Cotton Bayou and went to the camping area here and back. And I believe the first video we started out here at the Orange Beach Sportsplex and came down Twin Bridges Trail to here. So, slowly making our way around the trail system, and that gives you an idea of how vast this system is. Beautiful area. This is a little bathhouse area that's on the intersection of Catman and Rosemary Dunes, and it has an actual stand in case you have any bike problems, where you can air up a tire, put it on the rack and work on it. It's got tools here. Very convenient, very cool. So if you have a bicycle breakdown or anything, you can work on it here at this little trailhead, or rather trail intersection. And of course here's the bathhouse with a water fountain on it. Most of the trails have at least one section that does have water provided. taking a little relaxing break before I continue back home from my adventure today on the backcountry trails. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell notification as I'll load more videos each week and explore more areas of Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Fort Morgan, the Gulf Coast, Disney. But as far as the trail system go, I'll try to load a video up each week highlighting a different section of the trails, and hope to see you soon. Take care.